Hey guys, today we're gonna check my horizontal hive. This is the package that barely survived. During shipping, I had about 2 handful of bees and a queen. So today we're gonna get in and see if she's laying and what's going on in here. If they're doing well. I do see a few bees going in and out, so that's a good sign. So let's get in here and take a look, see what's going on. All right, let's get in here and see what's going on. Oh wow, what's going on? Not good. That's nuts. That's the first time I've seen that. Take a look at this. Yeah, ants. They seem to be on this corner and stealing some, I don't know what. Are they like multiplying here? What the hell is going on here? Let me know down in the comments. I haven't seen this before. It's like they got larvae of some sort. So let's take a look and see what's going on in here. Man, poor hive. That's probably because the hive is not strong enough. I don't know if you remember, I only had a couple of handful of bees survive in the queen. That's nuts. Come on. Look at that big old ant right there. Thing is huge. This is not your home. So I'm not really sure what's happening here, but we're gonna have to get rid of this ASAP. So I'll have to open this up and see. Oh wow, that's insane. Yeah, they took over the hive. Take a look at that. That is crazy. I've never seen this. Don't even know what to do with this. Oh wow. Look at this crap. This poor hive just can't catch a break. I do see a couple of bees, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a look at this, see what's going on here. First thing is first, get rid of these ants. How we're gonna do that? Good question. I don't know if I want to open this. It's crazy. I don't seem to see ants in the hive actually. Just out here, I do have a divider here. And crap. Come on. Poor hive. I don't even know how they got in here. What the hell is going on? Get you. Excuse my French, but I'm pissed off right now. Like, this poor hive just can't catch a break. That's insane. I've seen people say they had an ant invasion in hives. I guess this is what that is. The hive is just weak. That's probably why they settled in here. I'm not sure. Ah, man. Well, I'm gonna pause this video for now. I gotta do some research how to get rid of these ants. And then we'll get back once I get rid of these ants. Alright friends, after that disaster ant cleanup, let's just say I used a torch and some water. They're all gone for now. There's a couple here and there, but mostly gone. That's kind of a temporary solution. Let me know what you use to get rid of these ants, because that was insane when I opened it up. Didn't expect that. Alright, so let's keep on. Let's finally check the bees here. I'm hoping that's not the case when I get in here and get into the bees. I'm hoping there's not a lot of ants in here. At least I didn't see that. I mean, I'm expecting a few, but not like that. That was insane. Never seen that before. So always something new, my friends. Always something new. So let's take a look at here, see if we can find the queen and how these bees are doing. Look at these ants. Good Lord. I have to find something to get rid of this. I have to do some research. Guys, let me know how you control these ants, because this is insanity. Look at this guy carrying their eggs, and I don't think this hive is strong enough. Yeah, so you're gonna see me doing this the whole time. Yeah, any of them I kill, the bees will be. Ah, come on, buddy. Oh wow, there is a fight between an ant and a bee. Take a look at that. That bee is fighting an ant. She's got him like. Wow, that's amazing. Trying to bring it closer, look. Okay, that's something else. By the way, bee won, I think. She flew out of the hive with the ant there, carrying them out. So, I don't know. It's amazing things happening today. Bees are super calm, so I'm gonna go slowly. Don't even think I need my suit or anything, but hey. Look at that nectar. That's amazing. I don't see any eggs yet, so I'm hoping the queen maiden is still here. We'll have to find her. Sorry. Sorry, ladies. We'll move this over. Amazingly calm bees. I love this. Oh wow, there's some capped off brood. Larvae in all stages. Amazing. So we're getting ready to get some new bees. Want to see some, oh yeah. This side is full of eggs. I'm trying to see if I can see the queen too. Amazing. That's what we want to see. See the little bit of brood, some eggs around. Beautiful pattern. Hoping, oh wow, there's another one on the next frame. Queen's definitely here. Might take a look, a couple of more frames. Look at that. Amazing. Yep. These are filled with larvae, some eggs on the side. She laid up all the frames, looks like, which is good. Some more brood on this side. Thankfully it's warm out, so they don't need that many bees to keep this brood warm. Like I said, this is kind of a miracle hive. I'm sure they'll survive. If they survive this long, queen is laying. So make sure the queen is not up here. She's not. Some amazing things, my friends. Yeah, I don't see ants on this side. Wow, eggs and larvae in all stages on this one. I don't see her. She could really be anywhere. Oh, there she is. Spoke too soon. Right there where my thumb is. Look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful lady. There's a okay amount of bees in here, so we're just gonna leave them alone. To be honest, we saw the eggs. Eggs, larvae, no stages, brood, capped off, queens there. Everything's in place. So we'll leave them alone for now. We'll just leave this as is for another week or so. Then we'll revisit and maybe add some more frames. We'll see what's going on once we get in here in a week or so, maybe 10 days or so. All right, so guys, amazingly this hive survived. Looks like they're gonna be fine. They got some bees. I just gotta control these ants. Let me know down, please, how you control the ants, because I've never had this, and this is annoying. Looks like they weren't in a brood or frame section because I had a divider here, but I still don't want them to be in a hive, to be honest. So we're gonna put this back right the way it was. Keep these suckers out. I keep just smashing them. I don't know what else to do. But yeah, so the hive is doing good. We'll keep up with this. We'll update you again in a week or so, maybe a couple of weeks. But let me know about the ants so I can manage this and get rid of these guys once and for all. This is a temporary solution using a torch and water. All right, so thanks guys, thanks for watching. If you don't mind, hit that like and I'll see you on the next one.